speak to how the NESC looks at NESC violations and who's responsible for fixing it from
Right.
the code's perspective.
But we get this question, whether it's other utilities or buildings that are built next to the line, too close, signs. The code doesn't really tell us who pays for it, but as the utility, Rule 214 says we have to inspect our lines. And it also says if we find any problems, we have to get those problems fixed. So we're required to fix them. Doesn't say who pays for it, doesn't say how it's fixed, but we've got to get those fixed. So usually you're going to be using your joint use agreement as the pole owner. If you find something, you're responsible for following up and make sure it gets fixed. Communications, they should be following up and fixing anything that they're made aware of as well under Rule 214. There's a lot of back and forth. It's difficult sometimes depending on whether you have a good working relationship or not. But, for this example, they were doing new attachment and they were asking, how do I treat these different cables that are up there as I do a new attachment? If you're doing a new attachment and there's existing violations, as long as you're not creating a new violation, you can attach, or if you're making an existing violation worse, we can't attach. So, in this case, if we were going below that lowest communication cable, we could attach up there, do our clearances right. Maybe as part of that make ready work, we're notifying the utility pole owner that there's an existing violation. Probably it's owned by them in this case. Once they're aware of it, they're required by the code to go out and get that fixed in some way.